Good afternoon, everybody. I just got home from school and I am starving. In my home careers class a few days ago, we learned how to make breakfast sushi. And let me tell you guys, it's really delicious. So we are going to make that today. So what you're going to need is a tortilla, some Nutella, a banana, and some cinnamon. If you want peanut butter or sun butter on it, that's fine, I like Nutella because, it's Nutella, man. So what you want to do is grab a butter knife and get the Nutella and take a really nice scoop and just spread that across the whole tortilla. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so that's it for the butter knife. Now you have to grab the banana, put the tortilla to the side of your cutting board, and you just cut the banana. That was easy. Okay, so if you have the bottom one, you can just peel from here and dig in with your nails. Or if you have one of these, you can take it from up here. I like to put these in little baggies so I could have them for my next breakfast sushi. You put the banana right there and just put a little bit of cinnamon on the rest of the thing, it's right there. So now you have to roll this up and boom, now you have basically a breakfast burrito, but you gotta cut it now. So take your knife this one, if you have pieces on the edges, those are just scraps. You don't need to eat them, but Okay, so here are the end results for the two, normal ones. You see that there? It's really nice. So, yeah, chow down. Let's have a taste test.